I'm so tired of people rolling their eyes the second someone brings up a bear chat. You get this hyper logical modern days hustler who treat astrology like it's some cheap parlor trick or a daily horoscope in a tabloid. It's not just ignorant, it's arrogant. Because you are dismissing the oldest psychological framework in human history because you don't know how to read the code. Okay, so basically, let's talk about the Carl Jung, the founder of analytical psychology, one of the greatest mind of the 20th century. Like, do you know what he did when he couldn't figure out patient's trauma? He pulled their astrological chart. He didn't view it as some kind of magic. He viewed it as the ultimate map of human archetypes. He understood that the planets are not forcing you to do anything. They are the hands on a clock. The clock doesn't, create the time. It just shows you what time is it. So basically he understood the concept of synchronicity, that the blueprint of the sky matches the architectures of your unconscious mind. So, but people today are too proud to admit they're operating on a predetermined psychological grid. You want to believe you are entirely self made, but you are blindly running loops of self sabotage, anger, and fear that were stepped into your operating system the second you were born. So, chart isn't an excuse, it's an MRI of your psychic. It shows you exactly where your internal bottlenecks are, where your hidden talent is, and what kind of systems, obstacles you are meant to overcome. If you refuse to look at the map, you cannot be mad when you spend your whole life walking in circles. You can keep acting like you are too logical to study the metaphysics, architectures of your own life. But the joke is on you. The system is operating whether you acknowledge it or not. So yeah, it's time to stop fighting in the dark. You should learn the blueprint. If you are ready to, actually decode your own operating system, hit subscribe.